My old man used to tell me, it's best to never say you've hit rock bottom. Trust me, he said, you can always go lower.
The gold from the Royal Merchant is here.
$500 million.
John B., we are fugitives in a foreign country.
Promise me you won't do anything stupid.
Oh, Sarah Cameron. I do stupid things all the time without realizing it.
Ward's still out there. I can clear my name, and this can all be over in one shot.
If you think there's anything I wouldn't do, you haven't been paying attention.
I'm calling the shots now. I'm driving. I can't drive sick.
Got it.
John B. is not the only one that Ward double-crossed. I think you know what I want.
The treasure belongs to the Pogues. We gotta find it first. Woogity woogity?
Give me some woogity, baby!
This is a map of the whole island.
John B is back. It's him or me.
I get it. You guys are scared.
No.
It's kinda
it's just
cute.
the
I'm
pepper
not
thingy.
scared.
It's not the
You should have just
seriousness of
said.
it.
You
It's
should have just
No.
led with that.